very wordy Venn diagram question. How are we going to tackle it and how long is it going to take us? Well, odd thing I like to do is I always like to mentally switch out the name of the person for someone I know, usually myself or just someone, because it just stops me from thinking about one extra thing. So we have someone taking a medal from a collection. Given that the medal is gold, the probability the medal is English, 2/11. How do we deal with that? Firstly, I'm going to rewrite this in a mathematical way. So the probability that it's English, given that it's gold, is equal to 2/11. So what are we going to be looking at here? So the probability that it's English, given that it's gold. That means if it's given that it's gold, we're looking at this. So the total, well, the formula for this actually would be the probability of English over the probability of gold plus the probability of English and gold. So the probability of English, sorry, we should change that for English and gold because we just want the intersection. So the probability that it's English and gold is x, and the probability of the total is going to be 5x minus 3 plus x, which is 6x minus 3. And we can equate that to 2/11. And then we have fractional equation, so we multiply to give us 11x equals 12x minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Cool. Now that we know that x is equal to 6, I'm going to go in and change all of these figures. So 6 lots of 42. Sorry, 6 lots of 7 is 42. 42 minus 11 is 31. That is just 6. That will be 30 minus 3, and then 34. So the total medals is just going to be, that will be 11, 17, 18, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total medals is 98. The most important part here is to ensure that you understand conditional probability and you're given that formula. If you remember your formulas, the question is easy. If not, it can be done with a bit of logic just by thinking about you only want English when you have gold. So again, looking at that red circle, you only want English when you have gold. And if you understand your basic probability formula, the question should still make sense too. If you want it explained a different way, let me know. Otherwise, share this to your friends so all of you can achieve a grade 9 together.